Hey guys! 1ヶ月でどれだけ絞れるかエクササイズチャレンジ22日目です。始まるよ。3、2、1、go! Okay. Move your shoulders along with your arms and draw a circle. Hey guys, it's our take 3 video of this exercise actually. Yeah, so it's actually our day 23 because yesterday I filmed exactly the same video, but because I was being lazy and I didn't finish my laundry, so I didn't have spats, long shorts, long pants to wear, so I only wore t-shirt and short pants, which was really short. So from yesterday's video I showed you guys, I revealed some of the parts I shouldn't be revealing in front of the camera, and my mom tried to avoid that with her bare hands. She came here and like, but it didn't work, so okay. And also today we were filming exactly the same exercise right now, and we filmed like 1/3 of this exercise, so we already did this, to be honest, right? Sorry, but there was a technical issue with the camera, aka I forgot to delete the images before, so the memory card was full, so we are refilming it. So sorry, Mom.
Thank you for giving me second chance.
Wow. Okay. Right side. Draw a big circle. Muscle watching's wife, Megu-chan-san's favorite move. And so it's like, it's our 4th time doing this exercise. So I think I remember most of the moves. I'll switch. And thanks to my mistake, we are sweaty as heck already, right? Really? Like this is the same move with like the dancing one. We tried that dancing like 10 minutes, 3 times dancing video. Okay, just your right leg. Up, down, up.
Can I touch the floor?
Oh no, sorry. Ooh, wow, it's harder than I thought. Oh,
Easier. Oh, I can do it.
true. This one you're really good at it. Because it's your like 3rd time. Oh, but 2nd time maybe. 3rd time. Okay, switch left leg. Because you also joined with me yesterday.
Right.
Like the one
To
that
hide some part of you.
yeah. Sorry. The one that I will never upload it on my channel because it's like
Or never.
it was like I was revealing my skin too much with that. Also, some of the parts included like not only skin, so what? I realized, I recognized it because I checked with my laptop. Okay, open, right side, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. What?
Oh, I'm doing better than before.
Yes!
Right?
Yeah. Well, we are like
From this.
open, close, because it's our 4th time trying this exercise.
But it's hard.
I know. I'm really looking forward to try new exercise tomorrow. I really like it though.
Or something.
15 minutes maybe? やばいやばいやばい。My mom is doing like different moves, I think. Noisy car sound. Sorry. Oh, is it a bike sound?
Bike.
Bike.
Motorbike.
open, close, open, close, open, close, okay? I'm really sweaty. お辞儀 bow from your hip joint. 覚えた英語 I have had hard times to remember some of the body parts names because I don't really use them, like 肩甲骨 shoulder blades. I never used that before. And 骨盤 hip, what, I forgot. Hip joint. I never used that before either, so from your hip bone, you need to bow. Oh, sorry. Oh, down dog. My favorite one.
Faster.
Yeah, I've done before. So 8 years ago, when I broke up with my first love, almost first love. Oh,
Almost.
no, not him. Oopsie. When I broke up with someone 8 years ago. I don't really remember his name. I forgot which one. I forgot. Sorry. Left arm stretching. When my heart was broken, my mom took me to Hawaii, right?
Right.
And my mom's sister's friend let us stay at their house, mansion.
Not that much.
They were really nice.
Big house.
They are really nice. And Makiko-san, the host, って言えばいい? Makiko-san, yeah, my mom's sister's friend, aka my mom's friend.
Of course.
She taught me how to do down dog pose, that yoga pose. And ever since I've learned that pose from her, I really like it. And like Makiko-san and her husband Allen-san, my second father from Hawaii, they kind of took me to yoga school almost every morning or once a week, because I told them, like, when they asked me what I want to do in Hawaii, and I told them, like, I want to go to yoga class. Okay, left front and right leg back. So it was really, I don't know,
Good memory.
yeah, inspiring time for me, because for me, living in abroad for a month was
It's first time. Yes, first time.
Okay, switch right leg front, and I couldn't really speak in English back then. I mean,
I don't think so.
I kinda could, but my mom forced me to say hi to strangers on the street and do interview and film it and ask them their life stories. That was your project. You left that project before, you flew back to Japan.
Yeah.
And I was really pressured, and I told you that I couldn't. Wow, even before Asian Boss, I was doing street interview. I don't really have the
I
footage.
ordered you to do it.
Yeah. Anyways, wide squat. And when you do squat, your knees and toes should face to the same direction. And let's focus on around here, muscle around here. Well, I was a pen pal friend for a while with the old lady I said hi at the Hawaiian Center or something.
Oh!
Yeah.
I remember.
Oh, hands clap, dance, move. And in Hawaii, my time in Hawaii, it was really amazing. And Allen-san always took me to somewhere like a museum, or like they have a dog. I forgot, Kohakuだっけな? I forgot his name. I should call Allen-san and ask him the name. So we were like taking Kohaku for a walk. Okay, stretch your side body. It was really great memory, And I really wanted to fly back to Hawaii, and I was planning to. But because of this COVID-19 situation, me and my videographer friends canceled. Okay, next. Oh, my mom's favorite move. My mom is like checking the screen a lot because of my mistake. Because
Oh yeah.
yeah.
I
This
don't
time
want to
it's
do
fine.
it again. Again
sorry.
and again.
Yeah. And it's not the first time I made this mistake, so sorry. Like few videos, I lost the footage, so I needed to like refilm again. Like when you see super oily, sweaty me, that means that's my like second set or third
Which
set.
one? Every time you sweat, so it's hard.
Right leg, right side. And like pull your hip to this side and bend from your hip joint. Oh wait, ouch! I'm wanting this moment to be thumbnail moment because I feel lazy to take thumbnail picture on this side again. And I bet that I'm really sweaty and oily already because it's like not stinky, I'm lazy. I said sweaty and oily, not stinky. I'm offended. Of course, I dare you to do that for 1 minute or something. Okay, right arm stretching. And I like to move when I do this somehow. It's easier for me. So lazy tip number 1, move your upper body while you do this. Not lazy, not really. And then switch side. Now we want to stretch our left arm. And you don't need to move your upper body like me, but I just like to move it somehow. That's it. I'm just stopping for the thumbnail picture. Part 2. I need like 3, versions so that I can choose. Like the less oily, sweaty version. But it's impossible to, be not oily or sweaty after all. My mom be like, look at me face. Oh, okay, cross your leg, right leg front, like this. And then this one, stretch to, easy to touch the floor. Oh, but I couldn't really touch the floor like with the video I will never uploaded, filmed yesterday. My hands were here. But now I can just go.
Right.
Wow, I can touch the floor actually. Wow, continuing, like don't give up and continue every day means a lot. It works. Wow, let's switch. So left leg front. Wow, I can touch the floor, Mom.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, because I couldn't. Wow. Wow. Wow, that wasn't a waste of our time, It wasn't meaningless. Maybe there is a reason why I failed. I mean, I made mistake, technical mistakes. That's a good thing. Knee to elbow, okay. Finally, new move. Oh no. Ouch. And I hurt my neck here with the last move of this exercise 2 days ago. And ever since my neck hurts.
I have.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I really need to put something on my neck because, ideally if I can go to, go see a doctor or something, but it's not a good timing, right?
Good timing.
Okay.
Not good.
To go out, right? Okay, side, knee to elbow, side version. Oh, I know. なんかカニさんになった気分じゃない？ I feel like I became a crab. Oh, my mom seems so tired. I'm so sorry. We've been doing this for more than like 30 minutes.
More than 30 minutes?
Yeah. Because of, no, like with this video not, but because of my mistake. Oh, sorry, only one side. Okay, let's go with our right side. Open,
No,
close,
it's her left.
open. Okay, my mom is starting with her left side. Whichever side you like. Oh, that was really quick. Okay, switch. Open, close, open, close. Thumbnail picture moment. Close. Or like, I can't do this face thumbnail picture moment. And close. 熱い。
Have we finished half of them?
Yes, 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 yes. About half of them. A bit more than a half. Left, 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 left. Oh, 1-2 punch. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. My mom is trying to, she's playing with the camera screen so that, you know, sometimes she can see her fist and she seems really happy. Can you find my mom's fist? どこから出るかな、ママの手は。Okay. Okay. Hook. Hook, 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 hook. And the next move will be upper. No, not now. Not yet. And upper. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. As I told you guys before, some of my friends who are into workouts, they sent me tutorial videos of how to do the right punches. I hope they are not watching it. They will be like, Hiroko, we taught you. Okay. Okay, only right kick. 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 Ouch. Right kick. Right kick. Right kick. Right kick. Okay, next. Left kick, I think. Left kick. Left kick. Left kick. いや、それ多分癖があるだけだと思う。一人一人に癖があるからさ。キック。キック。キック。キック。お腹もねじれるからすごい痩せそう。When we do like this move, I mean, when we kick, our body would be like a bit twisted. So I think it will be, oh, okay. What? Move your hip. My mom is trying to do a hula dance. Wow, if we add my mom's move, it's harder, but I can't really focus on my hips. I can fly. That's it. Okay, left. Okay, no. Take both sides. Back. Take. Back. Oh, it's working. Okay, okay. That's really. We heard nothing. We heard nothing. Of course, no, we don't have to.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Really? So like, I think we have like 12 minutes.
Oh my god.
Okay. Sorry, neighbor one. Open, close. I mean, you don't need to do it super fast or super slow, or like you can just decide how fast you want to do. Okay, and then okay, left leg front. Okay. Oh. Back lunge, I think. Right side. Wow, you know, it was really hard. I felt it's so hard when I started this, but it's not really hard anymore. Oh, okay, switch. Now right leg front. Because I think I was kind of screaming when I did the it's so hard, but I don't think so. For now though. What do you think, Mom? And I think you need to bend your knee, left knee more. Yeah. You're tired.
I see.
Yeah. Kissing, bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do pretty Japanese lesson. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you can't really repeat after me. So let's say it together. Oh, okay. Next move. I'm sorry. Okay. Stretch your knees. Wow. I can't stop my sweat. I'm glad that we did this again. I wasn't happy about it.
Really?
But yeah. Actually, I can just feel that, wow, now I don't feel like it's hard. Like, not as much. Okay, open your legs like this and stretch. Yeah, it's really, really comfortable. Comfortable? Cozy?
Coffee?
Comfy?
Cozy.
Comfy.
暑いねこれ。I really, really like this one.
Okay.
Maybe 15 or 14 more.
Okay, draw a big circle. You know, on day 21 video, I didn't tie my hair at all. So when I did this move, I looked like
Kabuki?
Obake.
Kabuki or
No.
something.
Ghost.
Oh.
Rings ghost. Sadako. I don't know the English name, but her name is Sadako. In Japanese, it would be called ring. Okay. Back pull down. Let's hold our air dumbbell and pull down. And it's good for, this move is good for opening our chest and, I don't know, like squeezing our shoulder blades. Yeah. Wow, this challenge is like good to improve my English level. It's been really good. I mean, of course I'm making mistakes. Rowing. So squeeze your shoulder blades when you pull up your arms. And it's called rowing, sorry. Row a boat, row your boat gently down the streets. Streets, life is not a dream. Okay. Just raise your arms, that's it. We are almost finished, I think.
10 more, I believe. 10 more sets?
Oh, we have like, no, 5 more minutes.
30 seconds, right?
I see.
So 10 more.
Yeah. Oh, I feel dizzy. Do you feel dizzy, guys? Okay, side version. Oh no, from the top. Close. And you know, when you reach to the top, your arms will be like this, not clapping, but the other side. And it will be like, because you need to twist your arm while you raise them up, so it will be harder.
It's hard.
I know. That means it's gonna work more. I mean, if you don't really like it, you don't need to do it. You can just do it clap version, but you know, it's...
Oh, it's hard. Oh, it's hard.
I'm sweating. Okay. Oh. We only got, you know, easy ones, I think. Yay! It means we are almost finished. Really sweating as heck.
Heavy arms, I have. So heavy.
Sorry, Mom. She must be tired because of, you know, my mistake. Left leg front and... Oh, okay, just stretch this part. And your heels should be on the floor the whole time. And gently, how can I say, move your weight to the front leg so that you can feel that, oh, my right fukurahagi, this part, I don't know how to say it in English, is stretching. Okay, switch. I really like this simple one. That's exactly what I needed. Simple is the best sometimes. I really like it. Fukurahagiってなんて言うんだろうね。I'm gonna need to Google it. That was my mom's voice. I really like it. Let's do that. Thumbnail picture. Okay. Just move your hands and feet. That's it. And you don't need to, you know, do it like super strongly. You know, you can just relax. I really like it. My mom is doing like それなんか泳いでる犬じゃん Okay. Grab your arms. I can't really do that, but like try to open your chest while you bend back. But don't, you know, try too hard.
Try not to hurt.
Yeah. Well, I did hurt my neck with this move. Open your chest. I feel dizzy, seriously. Oh, I hurt my neck with this move. Ouch. Just right, left, right, left. It hurts. I won't push myself too hard. I will just gently tilt my head because I hurt my neck. Because, you know, I wanted to, you know, show off to you guys, so I did like, see, I can do this one. You don't need to do that. But yeah. Should we switch or not? Maybe switch, or maybe not.
Oh no.
Ah. It hurts. Oh, we should have switched. Sorry. Deep breath and then we are done. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Yay! Finally, and we could capture it. Yes, this time. Anyways, thanks for joining, guys, and please be careful not to hurt any of your body parts. Like, you know, I like my neck. Yeah, be careful. Don't push yourself too hard, and don't forget to go check and subscribe our original trainer muscle watching channel. The links are in the description box below, so please check it out. See you tomorrow. Bye.